Hello guys, andito kami sa park, sa Zoo Lake ng South Africa. Zoo Lake of South Africa. Ayan, ng mga gathering ng mga Pilipino. Ayan.
Malapit sa country club.
Picnic po kami. Picnic. Ayan.
Prutas kayo dyan, prutas.
Ako ate, prutas.
Prutas.
So yan, picnic kami.
Prutas kayo. Prutas kayo.
Doon sila nagpark yung iba doon. Doon sabi nagparkingan namin. Tapos,
Kaya lang, hindi kailangan, hindi tabi-tabi pala.
ganun ba yun?
Oo, ayaw nila ng tabi-tabi.
Huh? Hindi iba doon.
Nag-order din ako.
Sino ba yung nasasakyan na yun?
No, baka hindi ate. Ewan ko.
Sino yung nasasakyan na yun?
Alin?
Yung dumating.
Hindi ko alam.
Tingnan na lang natin kung sino tapos direct natin doon. Lumboy. Ayan mo kaya.
Ayan ang Zoo Lake. Zoo Lake. Pero dito lang kami sa park. Ayan, guys.
Umabot ko sa ano? Sa...
Flowers there and they're supposed to be there. Only you knew you're supposed to be there.
Checkers. Listen, Mr. Mo. Sabi ko pa naman kay Terry. Someone don't like the idea of this, it's also fine. But the main idea is for us to be together. Yeah, next time we'll
Yes.
be Alberton.
And also for those team leaders, thank you very much. JR, Miriam, and
Dali as well.
Dali!
And kung ano man, may konti tayong problema kami na chaos, we will do it the better way next time.
Yes! Yes!
First and last lesson.
Everybody is equal. You can suggest, say anything, whatever, as long as it's for the good of us. All of us. And make us happy. It's okay. Any suggestion is open. Yeah, we just want, like for example, if there is occasion or something, who gonna bring us together? Maybe someone, whatever, but if we can get a group that, let's say like this, okay, just tell them we're gonna meet in the park, bring your food and come. Everyone is welcome. If there is any issues or whatever, we're here to listen. Don't know if we're gonna do something, but we're gonna listen.
We have to put it again behind the bars.
Okay, so anyone?
Guys, andito kami sa Zoo Lake. Yan, andito kami sa Zoo Lake. Zoo Lake. Yeah, picture.
Ride on a boat.
Next!
There's the guy again.
Next! 7, we're 7.
Tayo na tatlong magkakapatid.
Sa likod. Dapat si Ate Esther sa anahan. Baka tayo. 7. We're 7. Pwede palang detali.
Dito pala kayo?
Kaya nga. We must come here. So, can we do the same like this? Okay. So, we will use this. No, detali nga, oh. Say hi.
Ayaw iniigan gitu na.
No, it should be 2.
Tingnan mo, oh.
Hindi, tama na yan. Kasi sabi, wait, ayaw na.
Wait daw. Ay.
Sama uli.
It's fine. It's only small boy, that one.
So I'll pay again. I'll pay again.
You pay.
We will pay, yeah.
Okay, come, bubog.
Ala, kasama ulit si Digong. Digong,
Nga na, we...
kasama ka na naman. Parang di na tayo
Okay.
alis.
What to do?
Kasama ulit.
The mom will pay.
We'll pay again.
Okay, what to do? Paano gagawin nyo katulad sa inyo?
For the boy. Remind us once we buy.
Ay mong magganto para mamasahe yung daliri mo.
Ayoko nga, eh. Talagang, alam mo ba?
Only for you, not for them. Sabi mo kayo na isa dito.
Dito ka.
Yan, okay na. Huwag kang go forward. Nakatali kayo, hindi kayo. Malupak ang nabal nito.
Aray ko natatawa down.
It's fine, lady.
It's fine.
You know how to swim. You can save us. You can save us.
Dapat
Kaya nga, we should have sit there in front. One of them, one of us. Then we balance.
It's balanced. It's fine.
Andito kami sa
Kaingay pala nito.
kaya
Ang yabang pa, naka-experience na daw siya.
You pay for drive.
yes, 100.
100 rand.
Yes.
Drive 100 rand.
Yes. How much supposed to be?
They cheating
What does
us.
she says there? What did you pay 50 rand?
I pay.
Oh, there's the island. There's the island of Kabukilan. Dancing, riding with Ate Carol, with my sister, Miriam, and
This is a very good exercise, ne?
Yeah.
yeah, especially in the morning.
So how many you gymming?
Yeah.
Okay. So then, yeah, because so how many times you
Do
How
this
many
one.
years?
yeah, no, how many? Yeah, how many times you drive like this in a day? Too much.
Because I'm working Friday and Saturday and Sunday.
Is it? Oh, only Friday, Saturday, and Sunday.
Yeah,
Ah,
so
okay.
I don't know. It's too much.
Is it
So this is busy job.
Yeah.
busy? Only during summer or even winter?
Winter.
Is not so much.
Yeah.
Zoo Lake. Wala ang zoo. Malaking ano, so mamimili ka talaga ng space, ng space lang. Ano, hindi naman hindi naman delikado ano.
Pero hindi malinis ang tubig
Oo.
May lumot na kasi. Hindi nila minamintain.
Ay, basa-basa man doon.
Nabasa ka?
Yung aking hunat, nauupuan ko.
Kaya pala umuusad ka. No?
Ha? Mabigat? Ay, mabigat talaga.
Tatanungin pa.
Are they heavy? I said, are they heavy? As
Obvious.
How many minutes ride?
I'm going to all of
Oh, and then go back.
Okay.
Oh, we're going to the fountain. Pwede tayo maligo dyan.
Ma'am.
Lalaro ba? Every weekend. So this lake is man-made? Huh?
Yeah, it's
Natural
man-made.
lake.
It's man-made. Ay, nandyan pala kayo.
Uy, kamusta na kayo dyan?
Isama pala namin kayo.
Hindi sila humihinga. Kamusta na kayo dyan?
Ay, ako biglang nagutom.
Hoy,